little stars, come sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. E for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, roll to your feet. C for cat, soft and small. D for drum, we play it all. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish, swims all day. G for goat, jump high and low. H for hat, on we go. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. J for jug, full and neat. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, hear him cry. M for moon, shining bright. N for nest, birds take flight. O for orange, juicy round. P for piano, lovely sound. Q for queen with her crown. R for rain, falling down. S for sun, rising glow. T for train, chug, chug, go. U for umbrella, open wide. V for violin, play with pride. W for whale, deep in the sea. X for xylophone, sing with me. Y for yo-yo, up and down. Z for zebra, stripy gown. Now we've sung our A to Z. Clap your hands and smile with me.